13" by 40. Got a 6" 3-jaw on it, 1 9/16 through hole. Speeds are 50 to 2,500. It has threading. There's a thread dial. The placard on it's in real nice shape. The lathe in general is in real nice shape. The ways. Okay, now we got the compound going in. The DoAll 13. The brake works real well on it. Stops on a dime. So anyways, here you go. Ready for action. A DoAll model 13. 13 by 40. Has coolant. The coolant ain't wired in right now. But there's your controls. There's a pump down there. There's a tank. Just the wires aren't running into the machine. So, but when you hit the contactor, it sounds. Anyways.